Hello, people. Welcome to back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kudzi Kudzimadziro. I'm the creator and developer of this YouTube channel. So, good day, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Because I know that to some people it's good morning, to some people it's good afternoon, and to some people it's good evening, depending on where you are. Are you in Europe or Asia or North America or South America? But in me, in Africa, in Southern Africa, it's good afternoon. So, uh, I just decided to do a video this afternoon to explain about something that happened in my life. So the video that is coming to you today is about me explaining why did I move from South Africa back to Zimbabwe? Why did I relocate from South Africa back to Zimbabwe? So reason number one, why I moved from South Africa. For those who don't know, I was South Africa being sponsored by the government of Zimbabwe under Presidential Scholarship, Zimbabwe Presidential Scholarship Program for some years. So I was in South Africa studying at this other university called the University of Fort Hare. I was studying. Then after the completion of my studies, when I finished my studies, then I decided to come back to the country, Zimbabwe. So I moved back from South Africa back to Zimbabwe because I finished my studies at the University of Fort Hare in Eastern Cape Province, South Africa. So I'm back now in this country, Zimbabwe. I'm staying in Harare, in one of the good suburbs in Harare, and I'm back in the country. So I came back to Zimbabwe because I had finished my studies that I was doing at the University of Fort Hare in East London, Eastern Cape Province, South Africa. So plus the other reason again, I was also missing this country. I did miss Zimbabwe a lot, a lot, a lot. So that I decided to come back to Zimbabwe and see Zimbabwe and see all the towns of Zimbabwe, all the cities of Zimbabwe, and see my friends in Zimbabwe, see my good family in Zimbabwe, and also see where my church began in Zimbabwe. So a lot of reasons and a lot of factors why I came back. So this is where we are right now. This is where we are right now. So thank you very much, my people. Thank you very much for the video coming back to you. Remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. Subscribe is free, to like is free, to share is free, to comment is free. Remember to pray, remember to drink water. Sharp.